Hey everybody, just wanted to pop in here real quick. I've been working with the Dsoon TL2100 camera now since the unboxing yesterday. A lot of people have been complaining about this camera because they say it stops working or it doesn't work. I mostly think that has to do with the fact that they don't understand how to program it. And when I first got this camera, I didn't understand it either, okay? There are some basic functions that you need to be aware of on this device. A couple of them are in the program settings. If you want this to work automatically for you, you absolutely need to go into the programming and check off every day of the week. Right now, my program is set for Monday through Friday to start recording at 7:15 a.m. and to stop recording at 5:30 p.m. That function is flawlessly working. I did test the take a picture function every 30 seconds, and I did that overnight, and it is supposed to stitch itself into a video, but it does not, okay? So I am not going to use that function. So then I programmed it to change it to make a video, a 1-second video every 15 seconds or every 30 seconds, I don't remember, but that works flawlessly. And when you're done and you stop the camera, it stitches itself into one AVI video file. I'm able to drag that into iMovie, throw some music on it, and it works flawlessly. Keep in mind that once you start this recording and you have those parameters set, what I like to do is there's a little LED light right up here, and I set that so that it goes on. I turned it on. So every time it takes a picture or has an action, you can see that little green LED light and you know it's working. Now, when I first put the 4 batteries in here yesterday, it told me that I had 2 months of life. But now that I've adjusted it to video, it's actually readjusted the life of the batteries, and now it's telling me it's good for only 1 month, which is fine. I know I can put 12 batteries in here total, but I am taking a video of a construction project where the roof of the house gets ripped off, and a dorm is put in, windows are put in, siding is going to go on the house. I went and bought this camera for that purpose, and it's at my son's house actually. So I am going to set this up over there later today, and Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. it's going to start recording. The only thing that I think is a little bit of a downside is it comes with a 64 gig SD card, micro SD card, which is fantastic. But I just recorded probably, I don't know, 2 minutes of video, and it took up several hundred megabytes. So I think I'm going to run out of space. So I am going to see if a 256 gig card will fit in here. But I think that's the downfall for many people with the Dsoon time-lapse camera, is they don't understand how to set up the program. You've got to get used to the menu, how it works, when to click OK, what to save, when to format the SD card when you're out of space or whatever. But practice, stay with it, you'll get it. Right now, you're going to see the time-lapse video that I made. It's stupid and useless, but it'll show you that the camera works, okay? So here you go. I hope you're having a great weekend.
slowly na ho.